Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Black Ops 6 connection failed error code, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys are going to do is you can restart your Wi-Fi router, and you can do this by unplugging all of the wires out of your router and plugging them back in like after 30 seconds to a minute. The second method you guys can try doing is instead of using a regular network connection, you can use an Ethernet cable, and this will definitely help with Wi-Fi, and would also give you like almost zero, lower to zero ping, and it's also gonna like make your Wi-Fi much faster as well. So it's gonna overall be better. And yeah, the third method you guys can do is once you open up Call of Duty Black Ops 6, if you let's say you open it up through Steam, go ahead to click on Steam, right click on it, and click on Run as an Administrator. And you basically want to just open up Steam this way, and then open up Black Ops 6 this way. You can do the same thing with Call of Duty directly. Actually, never mind. You have to do it through Steam. I don't think you can as of right now. But yeah. Anyways, right click on Steam, click Run as Administrator, and then open up Black Ops 6 this way. And once you do these three things, you should be good to go and you're all set. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.